Welcome to my new seed storage box. Let me give you a little tour of what I have. This box has a handle and latch system. Like many of you, I used to store my seeds in an old wooden recipe box. We all get creative, but I couldn't even close the box and seeds were everywhere. It was a disaster. So 16 total cases, and you can organize them however you want, which I really liked. I can put a lot of my cold weather ones together. And hey, who did that? It's the beets, you dirty beet. Okay, well, what's nice about these cases is that if seeds fall out and you can identify them, you can just pour them back in, I guess. Here we go. Nice. Okay, well, I'm glad it wasn't the brassica one because that would have been bad. Luckily, the beets were identifiable. So I kind of organized them by when I'm going to plant them. The onions will be the first ones I start indoors. Then the peppers and tomatoes will be the next ones that I will start indoors. The little labels, they peel off. So if they're a vinyl sticker, so it's not going to be like a paper label that would peel off and tear into like a bunch of little shreds. So, get in there, you. I like that you can peel them off and move them around if you're not sure that you want to group different things together. And then speaking of grouping, peas and beans are huge seeds. So you're probably not going to share the space with anybody other than peas and other than beans. They're huge seeds. They take up a lot. I love peas. Peas are my favorite. I could probably have 3 more containers full of pea seeds. I would eat peas every day if I could grow them every day. This is probably my fullest container. The leafy greens, brassicas, you got to try them all. I'm glad nothing in there was open. What do we got? Culinary herbs, and then this one is medicinal / edible flowers. Yeah, it's good to know what you can do with what you got. Just kind of experimenting with some things. And then my regular flowers. This zinnia package is probably the only one I have that I actually have to fold because it doesn't quite fit in there, the bigger packs. But other than that, standard size seed packs fit, no problem. I got some corn. I don't really have room for corn, but we'll see what, you got a seed, you got to plant it. So miscellaneous, it's good for keeping your extra stickers, your extra labels, empty seed storage envelopes for when you up your game and start storing your own stuff. Those are my garden labels. And what is this? Just a little plant family, seed family. Just learn about what you got. This box is a standard photo storage case. You can get them at any craft store or online, but if you want, I do sell them on Etsy. You will get a sheet of preset labels and blank labels. And then to make it extra fun, I have personalizations, so you can add your name to the top of your box. Just let me know the name. And I also have the cover art, so you can choose images A through F. They'll just be monotone, all black. And you can spice up your little box and enjoy your time in the garden with your new seed storage container. Happy growing!